Here's my secret of how I instantly transport myself into a cozy cabin retreat surrounded by the enchanting aroma of Christmas while sinking into a warm bath. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth. I'm thrilled to share another incredible DIY recipe that uses natural ingredients to enhance your self-care routine. In this video, you'll discover how to create luxurious Christmas cabin bath salts that pamper your skin and elevate your holiday spirit. Experience the ultimate relaxation as the calming aroma fills your bathroom, making your bath a festive escape. This also makes a really great gift. This fabulous recipe is included in the Simply Earth's DIY Gifts Essential Oil Recipe Box, packed with everything you need to indulge in a fragrant holiday experience. You can also find these ingredients at simplyearth.com. With the holiday season in full swing, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the hustle and bustle. Traditional bath products can often be laden with synthetic fragrances, leaving us yearning for a more natural, soothing experience. These products lack the comforting holiday aromas we crave and can also introduce unwanted chemicals into our home. The Christmas Cabin Bath Salts offers the perfect solution, a delightful blend of natural ingredients and essential oils that nourish your skin and uplift your spirits. You'll love how this blend transforms your bath time into a peaceful holiday retreat, leaving you feeling refreshed and centered amidst the season's chaos. Tell us in the comments if your ideal Christmas retreat is in a cabin surrounded by snow or at a tropical getaway. Turn off distractions because making is healing. Let's make this Christmas cabin bath salt recipe from Simply Earth. In your recipe box, you will get a ½ tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. This is actually in your big bonus box that comes free with your order. You'll also need 2 drops of balsam fir essential oil, 2 drops of mandarin essential oil, and 1 drop of liquid luck. These essential oils combine to create a beautiful holiday aroma that is really relaxing and makes your home smell like a spa. You'll also want a 1/4 cup of Simply Earth's bath salt soap blend. This is our custom blend of natural salts that will help give your body the minerals it craves. From your home, you'll also need a 4-ounce jar. This one's from Simply Earth. If you're a subscriber, you can get 10% off and free shipping when you add it to your box. We're also going to be using 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, but I'm actually going to be using 2 tablespoons of Simply Earth's Natrasorb powder. If you have cornstarch at home, that will work. If you are someone who has a big collection of natural ingredients, Natrasorb bath powder is a fun one to have. I'm going to be replacing the cornstarch in the recipe for this. Both Natrasorb and cornstarch will give the water in the bath a silky feel and prevent the bath salts from clumping in the jar. But what Natrasorb is going to do is it's going to absorb the oils we add to this salt soap, and it's going to spread them across the tub, creating a really clear bath that feels extra good as the oils are evenly dispersed throughout the tub. Without it, the oils will separate and come in one blob on the top of the water, which is fine, but this is kind of a more elevated experience. I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of rose petals, and I've torn these up. These are from Simply Earth as well, and this is optional. This is strictly for decor, and it's also going to add a little bit of a rose aroma. However, you do not need to add them. Let's make it. First, we're gonna mix the fractionated coconut oil and essential oils in a small bowl. This is gonna make sure our essential oils are actually diluted. We want essential oils to be diluted because they can be irritating to the skin if they're not put into a vegetable-based oil or seed-based oil like fractionated coconut oil. We call those carrier oils. My very seasonal oils are 2 drops of balsam fir, 2 drops of mandarin, and 1 drop of liquid luck. We're only using 1 drop of liquid luck because some of the essential oils in here are a little bit irritating to the skin. That's why it's important to use the right dilution rate with this oil, which we've done for you in this recipe. Now I'm going to be adding the wondrous Natrasorb bath powder, or you can use cornstarch. I'm gonna add this a ½ tablespoon at a time while stirring. I'm going to keep adding this powder until all the oil is absorbed into it and the mixture has a powdery consistency. The amount of cornstarch or Natrisorb you need will be about 2 tablespoons. Both of those are really lightweight powders, especially Natrisorb. So depending on how you're measuring, you may find you need a little bit more or a little bit less. Add a 1/4 cup of Simply Earth's bath salt soap. That's just this whole bag. Give it a stir until the powder and the salt is all combined. And then I'm going to add my rose petals. I'm gonna pour my mixture into a jar. Don't forget to label it. To use, pour the jar of bath salts into the bath and enjoy the detoxing benefits and calming aroma. Let's test it out. Here's what it looks like once you add it to your bath. In the warm water of your bath, the salt is going to dissolve, the oils are going to be evenly dispersed across the tub, and the water is going to feel super silky, while the rose petals add that touch of luxury. I love the cozy scents that envelop me whenever I use these bath salts. They bring warmth and joy, perfectly capturing the essence of Christmas spirit in every soak. You can make this magical experience for yourself. Grab Simply Earth's DIY gift-giving recipe box from Simply Earth and create your indulgent bath salts today. You can make this magical experience for yourself. Grab your DIY gift-giving recipe box from Simply Earth and create your indulgent bath salts today. I can't wait to see your creations. Share your beautifully crafted bath salts on social media by tagging From Simply Earth and using the hashtag #IMadeThis. Join our hashtag #IMadeThis challenge to win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. You can learn more about this in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to these videos.